Experience the pioneering method simulation formula by Jocavi. This proprietary ray tracing method reveals the scattering patterns of its diffusers. This ray tracing simulated method video, describing the sound wave scattering direction and speed, after touching the acoustic panel, considering the density of the raw material and the shape of each model, was simulated in the open field. The blue particles represent the direct emissions from the sound source, then transitioning to red particles when they impact the panel surface. The video vividly illustrates the sound's path from the source to the reflections after hitting the panel. The frequency range used was 500 Hz to 5000 Hz, with a coaxial cone-shaped dispersion radius of 12.5 degrees angle. To visualize the sound waves, we delayed the video at slow motion of 2.48 per 346 meter per second. The distance between the sound source and the acoustic panel used in this simulation was 180 centimeters. This simulation method was devised and is the intellectual property of Jocavi Acoustic Panels.